Hi everyone, welcome back to Sadler Nails. I'm going to show you how to do these cute 3D Christmas ornaments. They're pretty easy to do, so follow along. I just have a painted nail here that I've just buffed off the top coat. This was an old nail that I had just for the sake of the video. And I am just going to paint down a black base for my first ornament, and I'm just using Ugly Duckling's black polish. I'll list everything in the description box of the products that I'm using. So I just put down one layer of that, and then I'm going to cure that, and then the other bulb I used the Joya Chrome base polish. This polish is very good for nail art. It is very pigmented with the chrome, and it just works really great for detailed, like metallic artwork. So it's definitely a good polish to invest in. I know these brands are a little more on the expensive side, but trust me guys, it's definitely worth investing in a better quality polish. And just the size of the bottles alone, you get like double the amount of product. So it's definitely worth it. So here I'm also using the same chrome to do the string of the ornament. So you can see here how great it is for detail work, just like line work and stuff like that. So then I'm going to cure that, and I'm going to use one of my foil decals to put down on the black bulb. So you guys know that I like to place my decals onto a cured base coat. So first I'm just going to paint down base coat onto the black ornament. And then the other ornament, I'm going to use the Joya Jelly Red, which is number 05. And I'm just painting that over top of the chrome, and then I'm going to cure those. And so here I'm just dipping my decal into the water, and then I'm going to dry the decal off first, slide it off the backing. And for smaller decals, I do suggest using tweezers. It just makes your life so much easier. So I'm just going to use the tweezers to place that down, and it sticks perfectly to that base coat. I absolutely love Bioseaweed's base coat. It just has the absolute perfect stickiness for all my decals. So I just use the edge of the tweezers to make sure that decal is pressed down. And now we're going to be coming in with our builder gel. And once again, I'm using Bioseaweed's Builder X in clear. Builder X is their thicker builder gel. It is a self-leveling gel, and it is perfect for encapsulating and for this type of 3D work, just because the consistency of it is so easy to work with. It stays put, it doesn't run on you. So for doing these types of things like these ornaments, I do suggest investing in this builder gel. I don't use any other anymore, to be honest. Once I find a good product that works for me, I usually just stick with it. So you can just turn the nail over and let gravity pull the gel down towards the center to make it more of a bulb look. And then I did cure that one first before I came in to do the other one, just so that it didn't start flattening out on me. And then once again, I'm coming into the center first, and then because this is a different shaped bulb, I'm then pulling the gel down. And then I'm going to tip that nail upside down as well, just to let gravity pull the gel to the center, and then I'm going to cure that. And now I'm just using that chrome polish to do a little bow on just this one ornament. So a tip, just do 2 half circles that meet in the center for the top of your bow, and then I'm just going to come down and do the rest of the ribbon detail. So here's another look at how good this chrome is for detailed work. I should really use this polish more often. I should do more hand painting more often, to be honest. Since I started making my decals, I've kind of like put the hand painting on the side, and I should get back into hand painting. So now I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. It came in their advent calendar, so I've been trying it out, and I must say it's very good. It's quite comparable to the Ugly Duckling No Wipe. So what I do is I go around the rest of the nail, and then I come in and I do the bulbs last. This is just so that the polish doesn't pool, and then you don't lose too much details in your 3D bulbs. And then we're going to put that in the lamp. And then now my final details on the red ornament, I'm just going to be using Ugly Duckling's white gel polish to just paint on some white stripes onto the red ornament here. And I am just using a very inexpensive striping brush. You can even see here that I've cut the bristles to make it even thinner than it was when I bought it. So that's a tip you can do. Cut your brushes to make them thinner. So here I'm just, painting in that detail work. And then before I cure this, I'm going to come in with my glitter to do like a sugar effect. So this is not cured yet. We're now going to pour this fine glitter. The finer the glitter, the better when you're doing a sugar effect. So you're just going to pour that onto the wet gel and pop that in the lamp to cure. And then after the gel has cured, you are going to brush it off. I like to use a fan brush for this, but to be honest, any dry brush will work. And so there you have it, guys. Some 3D Christmas ornaments. It's pretty easy. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.